Hi, this is Faith Jones from Fresh Lemons Quilt, and today we're going to learn how to color in the Summer Sampler Series layout outline file in Procreate. The first step is to make sure you have your layout outline PNG file in your photo library on your iPad or iPhone. Open Procreate, and from the gallery, select Photo from the top right. This will open up your photo gallery on your device, and then you can pick the layout outline graphic to import. Once your graphic is imported, select the Layers icon from the top right. Tap the left side of the outline graphic layer and tap the bottom option called Reference. Now tap the plus sign on the Layers panel to add a new layer. This will be the layer you use to color in the image. Drag and drop colors from the top right color selector to the quilt top image to color in your quilt top.